Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my extremely messy bedroom. We got most of the fam lounging and chilling in here right now. Dan's getting ready to leave the house. Not that you needed to know that. We're gonna go to the chiropractor for baby's first adjustment and my first adjustment since delivering Logan. All of that was kind of pointless information you didn't need to know, but hello. So today I am jumping in the beginning of this video because I need to kind of explain what you're about to see and hear. So if you watched my labor and delivery vlog, or not the vlog, the birth story, which was the last video that we uploaded, or that I uploaded. Oh, hi, hello. Oh. Babies make the funniest sounds, man. What was I saying? Oh, so if you saw that video, I told you guys that I have like multiple videos that I had wanted to upload prior to Logan getting here, and I wasn't able to get them up in time. So I still want to put them up because there's like 2 freezer prep videos which have been amazing during this 4th trimester postpartum period, but I also had some day in my lives that I wanted to upload that were still like baby prep, just kind of like nesting prep in general. And so today I'm uploading the first in this series of videos that will come out probably over the next like week and a half, 2 weeks. But this one is going to be different because this is the only one where I already recorded the voiceovers before Logan got here, and I thought that you guys would like to know that it's kind of a fun fact that I recorded these voiceovers, I'm not kidding you, like 3 hours before I went into labor. So Saturday I was in, I went to labor Sunday, January 19th around 1:30 in the morning. Saturday, I was kind of in freak out mode, and looking back, those were all obviously signs of me going into labor, but I suddenly, like feverishly was cleaning, and I had been doing that kind of leading up the previous weeks, but that day I was like, Dan, we're so like, we do things in really weird orders, and we hadn't even like gone through any of the baby shower stuff people had given us or opened any of those packages. And so Saturday night, that was one of the things I was like, Dan, today's the day, tonight's the night. We have to open all of his stuff and like clean it and organize it. And so we did that. You'll be seeing that in an upcoming video. And I was filled with this sudden urge of like, I gotta go do voiceovers. I gotta keep the videos going. I don't do voiceovers at night, and this was like 10:30 at night. So I thought you guys would find this information funny, knowing that what I'm talking about, like if I go into labor, that was literally like 3 hours before. So that's pretty much it. I slid in with this long intro just to explain that to you, and once again, just remind you that all of the upcoming videos for like the next like week and a half, 2 weeks, oh, what was that? A little grunt? That they will all be prepping and previously, like time-wise, prior to our angel getting here. So that's it. So we're gonna jump into the video. Oh, my baby, my baby. All right, guys. He really hopes you enjoy this video, by the way. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the never-ending saga of a day in my life getting ready for our very first baby. Now I'm recording these voiceovers on a Saturday night, really because I'm trying to get out all of the videos that I have been recording during this process of prepping our life and pulling our house together for baby P. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nikki. I make these day in my life videos a lot, so I will have my playlist linked down below, as well as my food playlist, because I get a lot of questions about my food videos. I am 39 weeks pregnant, which is actually hard to believe. So on that note, let's hop right in. So on the note of being the stereotypical nesting, cleaning, pregnant lady, I am opening this video with cleaning the bathroom. I've mentioned this, I think, in some other videos, that all of the cleaning and the quote-unquote nesting that we're doing around the home is not necessarily all like baby-centered, but just like home-centered. Obviously, some of it is baby-centered, and you will see us continue to do things like set up his room and what we're planning on using, but a big part of prep to us is cleaning up the house, giving all of our stuff a home so when guests visit, they can easily find things, and just kind of cleaning up in general, because the plan is for me to birth here and the baby will be, breathing everything in. So we're just kind of taking things one room, one cupboard, one section at a time and trying to do the whole house top to bottom. But to all of you that have asked, yes, you will see the baby specific prepping that we are doing as well. So I feel bad because I keep teasing to this freezer video, but it's not out yet. But the goal, assuming I don't go into labor, is to have those videos, because it's 2 videos it looks like, coming out this week. But that bag that you saw me show was a bag of frozen brisket that Dan had cooked. So I pulled that out of the freezer for Dan and I to share for lunch. And I decided to saute these onions in some butter. They're white Hawaiian sweet onions, I believe. And I also threw in some chunks of jalapeno. And then once those had gotten a little bit of a chance to cook, I dumped the bag of brisket that had thawed already, by the way. It wasn't straight out of the freezer. I threw that into the pan to cook as well. Then I toasted some sourdough and then grated some cheddar cheese to put on top, and then threw that into the oven to melt the cheese. First off, I totally could have added that cheese to the pan. We just realized that recently in another brisket sandwich that we made tonight. But second off, I'm also realizing I actually didn't have a brisket sandwich. I had a brisket salad. And so I just put a bunch of goodies on top of my greens, some cucumber, tomatoes, avocado, cheddar cheese, and I used my all-time favorite homemade balsamic garlic mustard vinaigrette. Side note, while I'm recording these voiceovers, I just thought everyone should know I'm having a contraction right now. I don't know when this is going to happen, but I just thought I would update you and give a real-time update. Was that weird? It is what it is. Anyways, I had a side of some pears, and then I also decided to pour some hemp seeds on top of the salad too. I like to find reasons to just add hemp seeds to things, so that's what I did on this salad. Now, typical me, I don't remember what day this was, if this was before or after, but I had an appointment with my midwife, and if I look tired, ding, 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 it's because I had actually been crying on this morning. I felt very discouraged just from the back aches and the hip aches and the nausea and the vomiting that I'm still dealing with. And I just felt really down, but I mentioned this in a clip on Instagram from our at-home appointment that my midwife, Jen, always leaves me feeling better after an appointment. So I came into this appointment all teary-eyed and stuff, and I left the appointment feeling so much more like calm and assured and hopeful and excited. So it was really great. I have loved my prenatal care working with my midwife, Jen. It's really been an awesome, very us experience. I'm very happy about this path that we chose. All right, so now we're swinging it back with some of Dan's construction updates. As you can see, he got all of the drywall up, which was crazy. A lot of these steps here at the end happened really fast. I was joking that he has been daddy nesting. Like while I was freaking out about cleaning everything, he suddenly started freaking out about getting this room done. And he worked fast. Once he got the drywall up, he started working on the rest of the walls, and we had decided we wanted to do white shiplap in the room. A lot of people have been asking us, by the way, what this room is going to be, and we're just calling it like a bonus hang room. You're kind of just going to have to see it unfold with us. It's kind of a sun room because it's so bright in here, especially when you see it done, because he just finished the room, so you'll see it soon. And it's all white and bright. It's going to be a cool hang space. I'm probably going to grow more plants and seedlings out here. We'll have a couch and just, I don't know, we're going to see what works. But we wanted like a secondary hang space and a little bit of a division downstairs and a place for people to go if there's a lot of people at the house and they want a little more quiet, or whatever. Now they have a space. So actually, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot that you would see this much progress in this video, but look at how good that all looks. He did all of the shiplap, as you could see, completely by hand. Just kind of decided by watching YouTube videos what he liked, how he wanted to create it. We have very similar taste, so
I didn't really like have much of a say because I didn't really have anything to say. Like he was telling me his ideas and I'm like, yes, that's exactly what I want. He even pitched the idea of having plants hanging from like the top of the room because they're very high ceilings. And I was like, Dan, you know me so well. I feel like I do so many like puppy breaks in the videos. I'm like, all right, time to see the pups again. It's just good for us to all see cute dogs and just bask in their cuteness. So you haven't seen her yet, but the person throwing the ball is my sister Shayna, who came over on this day to help me make some serious progress, which we did, by the way, on a couple of different things in the house that I really wanted to declutter and organize. Also, Shayna made me get this shot because she thought it was so hilarious. Like when people pinch big buildings from far away. So yeah, it took us a while to get going because it was her time of the month and I'm very pregnant. And so we spent a good like 20 minutes just like sitting with the dogs. I, by the way, threw more chicken noodle soup in the crock pot to freeze because we've already been eating through the chicken noodle soup. I feel like it's funny because all of these things that you're seeing are like things that we were doing to procrastinate and not start the cleaning. But once we got going, man, we got going. And we started with this downstairs closet, which, hello, that was a disaster. I didn't get any of the decluttering, but it basically ended up becoming just like my cleaning closet. So that felt incredible to get done. Then we made our way upstairs to the guest bedroom. Like I said, none of this decluttering and cleaning is in any kind of order. We're trying to literally just do the whole house. And this guest closet was a disaster. And as you know, if you watched my guest closet declutter last year, I have a lot of towels and linens, and I had just been delaying making decisions on what to keep and what to give away. And so on this day, I was like, Shayna, I got to get rid of stuff. So we went through all of the sheets, all of the towels, and she really helped me think things through in a more logical way. I don't know if that's the way to put it. It just felt good to declutter all that. Oh, also, here I am taking a contraction break, I guess we'll call it. I was very uncomfortable and it just felt really good to stack these pillows and rest with my knees open and my belly supported on these feather pillows. Hashtag pregnant life. So then we cleaned the sheets for the guest bedroom and made the bed and got it prepped, which also made me feel great because we're about to have so many guests over the next couple months, including our birth doula and post-care doula might need a place to sleep. So just getting everything set up and ready in this room, decluttering, narrowing stuff down, making the bed, it just felt amazing. Every little thing that we've been able to do in the house, every check that I can put makes me feel more and more at ease and ready for the baby to come. People will tell you you will never feel ready for a baby. And I mean, I don't even have my baby yet, but I can attest to that. But that's not true in the sense that, like I just said, every single thing that I've gotten to accomplish and check off the list has legitimately helped ease my anxiety and make me feel less overwhelmed at the thought of the baby coming. And I keep showing you sunset shots because, I mean, how insane is this sunset? If you saw my video where I decluttered my oils, just FYI, I've been loving the whole little setup that I did with all of my oils. Everything is so easy to find now and I just love it. So I ended my day with a little bit of stress away and that was pretty much it. So guys, like I said, assuming I don't go into labor like tonight or tomorrow or I don't know, super soon, I have quite a few more videos coming up continuing to clean, declutter, like I mentioned, freezer cooking. So I'm going to try to pump them out before he gets here because I won't be surprised if when he shows up, I go into a cave for a minute. We will see. I'm playing everything by ear, seeing how we feel, but that's kind of where my head's at. So I will hopefully see you guys back here very soon with another new video. And with that being said, oh, just kidding. If you're hearing my voice, check the info box because once again, I'm doing a giveaway in today's video. So all of the information, the rules, when it closes, all that jazz will be down in the info box. All right, guys, that's it. Finally. Bye.